Alright boys, the next step, once your clothes have been washed, is to dry them. Alright. Today we're going to go through how to use a dryer. Dryer is generally used only if the situation needs it. So for example, if it's raining outside. So we'll get the clothes out of the washing machine. Alright. We want to make sure that we don't overload the dryer. Pretty simple guys. Open the door, put the wet clothes in the dryer. Just make sure that there's no loose things that can fly around and damage the dryer. Once you've got all the clothes in, close the dryer, and there's a number of settings also on the dryer. So for this one here, we'll just go around to just a time dry. So we'll set the timer for 60 minutes. Once you've set the time, hit start.
Just a couple of tips boys, sometimes we miss an item. You can actually press pause, it will stop, which will allow you to open and throw the item in. The second thing that you need to be aware of is, in actual fact, each dryer has a basket here for lint, and it's really important that you clean out the lint before using the dryer, and that'll help in its circulation. So sometimes at the front, sometimes they're at the back, but you just make sure you check it to make sure it's not full before you finish drying, and away you go.